Welcome back. Sawadde Sarvajanik Ganeshotsav Mandal will inaugurate its community hall on 15th May. The first phase of the hall is complete. The new project has till now cost above ₹1 crore. Construction of the second phase is underway. Mandal had special praise for Fomento Resources for contributing a major share for constructing this hall to be used for public utility, cultural programs and religious celebrations.
Sristhar Hall, Sawadde Ganeshotsav Mandal's creation will be inaugurated on 15th May at the hands of Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, Fomento Resources Chairman Avdut Timlo, Kudsade MLA Nilesh Kabral, Sawadde MLA Ganesh Gaonkar and other dignitaries.
प्रकल्प बांदपा खातीर तो उद्देश की सावड्ड्या असो एक सभागृह जावचें म्हणजे आमची एक मंडळाची इच्छा आशिल्ली आनी ताजो फायदो की आमचे सावड्ड्याक लग्न कार्य जाता सांस्कृतीक कार्यक्रम जाता तशेंच आमचे भुरग्याचे जे युवा पिढी आसा तांकां सांस्कृतीक कार्य जोडटपले पेटी अशें तांकां कल्चरल प्रोग्रामाचे ज्ञान दिवपा खातीर हाजे हॉल आमी यूज करतले. हो प्रकल्प आतां सुमारे 1 कोटी 30 लाख आमी 1 कोटी 30 लाख रुपये खर्च केला.
Mandal had a special mention and praise for Fomento Resources.
आणि हाजी जे आमकां प्रकल्पा खातीर मदत केली ती फॉमेंटो रिसोर्साचे अवधूत बाब तिमलो हाणें सुमारे 72 लाख रुपये दिल्ले आसा. त्याच बरोबर डॅम्पोन 5 लाख रुपया तशेंच सेजागोवा कंपनीन आमकां 10 लाख रुपये दिल्ले आसात. तशेंच खाण आसतापाचें मॅक्झिमम आमकां ह्या प्रकल्पा खातीर हेल्प केल्ले आसा. टोटल ह्या प्रकल्पाक जेन्ना दोन्ही प्रकल्प पूर्ण जातले तेन्ना सुमारे 2 कोटी खर्च जातले. दुसरे मजल्याचें काम जे आमचें चालू आसा ताजें काम 50% पूर्ण जाल्लें आसा.
Mayur Naik for Prudent.
Saujos the Ariel Sports Club in association with Salgaonkar Football Club have started a grassroots youth development centre at Padribad ground. The centre will train boys and girls from 8 to 10 years age group.
Of a larger initiative by Salset Football Club, which has recognized the pressing need in Indian football for an organized grassroots program and is providing an opportunity for Goa's youth to develop their love for football from a very young age. Many footballers from this area have donned Salgaonkar's green and white, so it was only fitting that we give back to the village by helping Salset in their endeavour.
I don't think you have to look beyond the borders of Goa. Be it Punjab, Assam, wherever it is, Bengal, to look forward to the near future, footballers to fill the vacancies here in Goa. I think they are the near future. I think there won't be a big problem. With this local less, Salgaonkar, Bengal, and will have greater heights in the national level, winning topmost tournaments in the country. Why not we go back? So I think we are back to the roots, and I think everything is successful.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.